Hey guys! So I'm finally back with a new video, and this one is a collab with another YouTuber. Her name is Victoria. So I'm going to do a haul on PrincessPolly, and she's going to do one on Fashion Nova. I'm super excited for this. Her channel is going to be in my description, so be sure to check out her video. I'm excited to see what kind of items she bought from Fashion Nova. I've never bought from Fashion Nova nor PrincessPolly. This is my first time purchasing from PrincessPolly, and I'm so excited to show you guys because the items are super cute. So let's go ahead and get to it. So the first item is their Let It Rain top. I got mine in a size 6, and when I bought it, it was on sale for $19, so about 51% off. It's a crop top with sheer material. I'm pretty sure it's organza material. It has 2 front ties, and it also has a little bit of a gathering, so you could even make it tighter or looser. It's adjustable, v-neck, and it's not lined, so totally see-through. I'm wearing a bodysuit I got from Fashion Q. So next we have their Donnie miniskirt. This one is a little bit big for me. I got it in a size 8, I think. This one was for $41, and the color is champagne. It's a miniskirt, has a slit at the bottom left corner, and it has some embroidering button like details, and it's super cute. Has some floral patterns on the front. I think it's like a jacquard kind of fabric. It's high-waisted, and it's super like soft and silky, a little bit shiny. It's also unlined. It's not that see-through, so that's a good thing. I think this one is my fave. It's their Jayden top. It's in color purple, so I got it for $45, and I got it in size 6. The purple is kind of like lilac, almost pastel-ish, so it's super cute. This is the first item I've had that's in this color. It's 100% cotton. It's a cardigan crop top kind of style, soft knit material, scoop neck. I also got their Daphnea Midi skirt. I got it for $41. It has a slit front and a side zipper. Super cute. The material is kind of silky, a little bit shiny. 100% polyester, unlined, and it's also high-waisted as well. Oh, and I got mine in a size 8, by the way. So for this one, I wasn't really sure if I liked it at first. The color was a little bit too bright for me, but it's still super cute, and it's super comfy to wear. It's the Oakland top in color blue. It's a knit rib top. It has a front tie. It's a little bit cropped, and it's a little bit stretchy as well. V-neck, unlined, and it's a cotton polyester blend. I got mine in a medium because I wanted, well, it's a medium large. I wanted to size up so it wouldn't be too tight on me, so it has a little bit more give to it. I think this one is my second fave. It's their Nova track shorts. It's super cute and totally perfect for lounging around in the house. I got mine in a color gray, size 8, and when I bought it, I did not see that it had a little bit of detailed writing at the bottom. I believe it says NYC. I did not check or see that part, so that was on me. They didn't mention that in the website. It has 2 side pockets, 100% polyester, unlined. It's high-waisted, super cute. It's great for that street style, cozy, casual kind of look, or even perfect for lounging around in the house. Thank you guys for watching this. It was so much fun filming this. I hope you guys love the items as much as I do, and I am so gonna shop more from PrincessPolly. I've loved the brand for like ages, but I've never actually purchased from them, so I'm so glad I took this chance and decided to buy stuff from them. So don't forget, the link for Victoria's channel is in my description, as long as the links for all the clothing I bought. I don't know if I'm gonna make any more YouTube videos. I'm kind of taking a break from YouTube. I have a bunch of video ideas planned, but I haven't had time to record them. I never do. YouTube it takes a lot more time than Instagram, so I'm more active on Instagram. I'm still posting daily on there, so if you want to follow me on there for like fashion tips. I'm starting to post like home decor-ish kind of posts now, So if you want to follow me on there and get more tips, then go ahead. The link for all my socials is down below. By the way, I'm also starting another business. So some of you may know I have a little clothing boutique. It's called Bowie's. It's on Poshmark. I used to have a website, but I closed it down. But I'm still selling on Poshmark and on Instagram. So the link for that is below. I'm also adding some scrunchies on there that I'm making, and I'm trying to like add a bunch of designs for the scrunchies. So if you want to check it out, it's in the description, and along with my other business that I just created during quarantine. It's a digital illustration business, so I am making illustrations, both colored and black and white line portraits. If you want any custom portraits, then go ahead and DM me on Instagram. The link is down below. And I'm also making media kits on that same Instagram. And if you don't know what a media kit is, it's basically a resume for like influencers or bloggers that they use when they want to connect and work with other brands and companies. So if you have any questions on what I do with my business, then just DM me on Instagram, and I will try to reply back as fast as possible. Or you could even like comment below on my YouTube videos, because I reply pretty fast. Anyway, so thank you guys for watching this, and I hope you guys have a great day.